Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a really glammy Halloween vibe makeup because like I'm not a Halloween person. It's just not me because I like to do Halloween activities, but I'm not like big on dressing up about it. But I know you guys are, so I was gonna be festive. I'm not gonna be a Grinch because I can be sometimes. And I'm just gonna get into festivities, but I wanted to get into festivities with like a very easy glam look that anybody can achieve. I can do some fire looks that are unachievable, but why do that? Like, you won't be able to, like, if you're not always wearing makeup, it's gonna be hard to achieve. But I will definitely do some like more complicated looks. I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna try to do a skeleton and like some other fun looks up until Halloween comes up. I definitely want to do looks that I can do with makeup that I already have in my house. I do not want to go out buying Halloween makeup because I hate spending money on Halloween stuff. No. I don't spend money on Halloween stuff. No, I don't like to. I'm cheap about it. I find it to be a waste of money, so that's just who I am. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, go ahead and keep on watching. And this one's a voiceover. I'm sorry, you guys. I didn't have my microphone on, so I forgot to do like a talk through video. So it's gonna be a voiceover, but I hope you guys still like it. Guys, so this is the finished look. I know you guys saw in the beginning and now you're finally seeing it, you're seeing it again. So if you went ahead and like this look, don't forget to like down below, comment any requests that you have, any Halloween looks that you want me to create. Like, I would definitely create that for you guys. Just like comment down below and let me know. I'll try to get that up ASAP for you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.